Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make Firefox your default web browser. Now, what is your default web browser, you may be asking? Your default web browser is basically what opens up when you open up a link on a third-party app. To show an example, as you can see we have Discord right here, and if we were to press on youtube.com link right here, as you can see it automatically opens up with Microsoft Edge. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make it automatically open up using Firefox. To begin, as you can see, we're on our Windows homepage. You want to simply navigate to the bottom left where we can see the Windows Start button. And from there, we simply press on the Settings button. Once that is complete, we're met into the Settings tab and we have multiple options. The option we're going to be choosing are the in the middle, the complete left side, which is Apps, Uninstall Defaults, Optional Features, and we're going to be going into Defaults. So once we press here, we have 6 options. The second one, which is called Default Apps, is what we're looking for. So we're going to press on Default Apps, and as you can see, we have Mail, Maps, Music Player, Photo Viewer, Video Player, and Web Browser. If you wish to change any of these other ones, you can do so, but for this video, we're going to be changing the web browser. So what I'm going to do is simply press on Web Browser, Microsoft Edge, and from there, I can choose from all the web browsers installed on my PC. So we're going to choose Firefox and give it a few seconds. Afterwards, if I close out of this tab and go back to Discord and press on this link once again, I should be greeted with youtube.com in Firefox, as you can see. So if we give it a moment, YouTube is right here and we can use YouTube. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.